Welcome. If you've been looking to freshen up your presence on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to change your profile picture on X using your PC, especially with the latest interface update. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open X. Just launch your browser and head to the website. It's that simple. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. Click on your profile image. This is where the magic begins. After clicking your profile picture, you'll see a button that says Edit Profile. Go ahead and click that. This is crucial as it opens the door to your profile customization options. Now, from the Edit Profile menu, select the option that says Change Profile Photo. You're almost there. Next, choose the option that allows you to upload a photo. Click on Upload Photo to pick a new image from your files. Here's the fun part. Select your new photo. Browse through your images and pick one that represents you best. Once you've chosen your new profile picture, tap Upload. Your new image is now being processed, bringing a fresh look to your X profile. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes to apply your new profile picture. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile image on X. Keeping your profile looking updated not only reflects your personality, but can also enhance your interactions on this platform. So get out there and show off your new look.